Hola amigos and amigas! Welcome! Welcome to our vibrant journey into the heart of the Spanish language. I am Mr. Briggs, your teacher, your guide to unlocking the secrets of the Spanish language. And today, we're diving into a small but mighty question. Whose is this? Or like we say in Spanish, ¿de quién es esto? Imagine for a moment that you're wandering through the bustling streets of Barcelona. The sun kissing the ancient cobblestones. Or you are at a lively party in Mexico City, surrounded by laughter and the rhythm of salsa or merengue or even reggaeton. Suddenly, you spot something intriguing. Maybe it's a mysterious book left on a park bench. Or a beautiful hat forgotten at the fiesta. And you wonder, whose is this? In this journey today, we are not just going to learn a couple of words here and there. We are unlocking doors to connect, to explore, and to belong wherever Spanish is spoken. So, are you ready to embark on this linguistic adventure? Let's start learning Spanish. Vamos a aprender español. Today's video is entitled, How to Ask Whose Is, Whose Are in Spanish. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button and join me. I upload videos every week. In Spanish, possession can also be expressed with the verb ser, to be, and the preposition de, of. De quién is the equivalent of the English term whose. So we're going to learn how to use this in the Spanish language. If you want to say, to whom does the car belong or whose car is this, you would ask, ¿de quién es el carro? ¿De quién es el carro? One more time, una vez más. ¿De quién es el carro? Whose car is this or to whom does the car belong? ¿De quién es el carro? If it's John's car, then you would answer, es de Juan. It's John's. Es de Juan. That's right. In that way you indicate possession. The car belongs to Juan. Es de Juan. It's John's. If it was Pedro's, then you would say, es de Pedro. If it was Maria's, then you would say, es de Maria. You get the idea. Let's see another example. If you want to ask, whose telephone is this? You would say, ¿de quién es el teléfono? ¿De quién es el teléfono? I recently found a brand new iPhone in my classroom and I asked the students, whose telephone is this? ¿De quién es el teléfono? ¿De quién es el teléfono? Muy bien. Let's continue. Continuemos. It's the doctor's. Es del doctor. It's the doctor's. Es del doctor. So in this case, it didn't belong to any of my students. It was the doctor's telephone. Es del doctor. Now, notice this. Es del doctor. And by the way, it's also very important to note the other de article combinations, de la, de los, and de las, do not contract. So you need to keep this in mind. Let's see a few examples so you can get the idea of what I'm talking about. Sometimes examples are the best way to go in order to comprehend. If you want to say, the girls' dresses are pretty, then you would say, los vestidos de la niña son bonitos. Notice, los vestidos, that means the dresses, de la niña, of the girl, that's how you say it in Spanish, literally, son bonitos, are beautiful. Properly translated would be the girls' dresses are beautiful. Another example, the students' books are new. Los libros, the books, de los estudiantes, of the students, son nuevos, are new. The students' books are new. Los libros de los estudiantes son nuevos. Son nuevos means are new. Excelente, amigos. It is time now for our Spanish listening exercises with me. Are you ready to test your Spanish listening skills with a fun challenge? As you immerse yourself with the rhythm and sounds of Spanish, keep your ears open for the phrases that we are learning today. We are going to commence. Vamos a comenzar. I'm going to tell you a story. Voy a contarte una historia. Hace muchos años atrás, había una niña llamada Pamela. Y Pamela tenía que hacer una tarea para la escuela. Así es que fue a la biblioteca. En esos años no había internet ni tampoco computadores. Así es que fue a la biblioteca y buscando libros encontró un libro muy especial. Era un libro misterioso, muy grande y grueso, y tenía una tapa dorada que brillaba. Pamela se preguntó, ¿de quién es este libro? Comenzó a mirarlo y vio que tenía una firma muy grande. Otra vez se preguntó, ¿de quién es este libro? Rápidamente tomó el libro y fue a hablar con la persona a cargo de la biblioteca y le preguntó, ¿de quién es este libro? A lo cual la persona encargada de la biblioteca respondió, este libro es muy especial. Lo regaló un escritor muy famoso y lo firmó para que las nuevas generaciones pudieran leer historias impresionantes. La chica preguntó nuevamente, ¿de quién es este libro? Y la persona a cargo de la biblioteca le dijo, pertenece a un escritor muy famoso. Se llamaba Pablo Neruda. If you know Pablo Neruda, you must have heard that he won the Nobel Prize of Literature many years ago. He was a very, very well-known writer, a poet from Chile. Okay, amigos, how did you go? Were you able to understand or follow along? I hope that you were able to understand at least a few words here and there. If not, don't get discouraged. Just keep doing your best to learn Spanish, and with the passing of time, you'll get it. And my dear amigos, I apologize for not being regular uploading videos. My life has been so busy and hectic for the past few weeks. I had to travel. I've been busy at work. I had to quit one of my jobs because it was way too much and I really want to do way more on YouTube. I also lost a very dear friend of mine. He was like a second father to me. So this last month has been full of ups and downs. But guess what? I got very good news too. The video that I promised you about South America is pretty much ready. So this time, I know, you'll say, yeah, sure. But no, this time I will be uploading this video in the next 2 to 3 days. You can count on that. Okay, my amigos, take care, and I'll see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe.